Hi everybody, Pepsi here from DIY Props. We're going to take you through the new Tummy Twister Ride for TY toys. So as you can see, we've got the remote control unit. You've probably already watched the bit where it's how we did it. We're just going to turn the RC unit on and watch what happens here. Here we go. So this is just the top stage of it going around. We can go both ways. You see the two teddies are enjoying themselves on there. So again, no trickery. RC. There you go. Here's your quick look how it goes around, etc. When it's finished, we put the bottom base on down here. Down here, you can't see it out of shot there. As you can see right in front of you is the RC unit that we described. Link in the description and above. We use something from the warehouse here in New Zealand. We'll take you over and have a look exactly what they are. Here we go. So that's just the motor, and that's how it comes as part of the car unit. The ones I use have 4 motors and 4 different outputs for the RC unit itself. There's the RC unit itself, you can see there. Here we go, that's all it is. So what we did really is I've stuck the motor. You can probably see it hiding up in here somewhere. Here it is. In there. I've just stuck that onto the arm, which is 24 centimeters long, and at the moment you will notice we've just got some normal 3-volt battery, 2 1.5-volt batteries in there, sorry, and just on a cheap light LED thing I got from the $2 shop, which is out of one of these ones right there. So I've just cut the lights off and used the battery bit temporarily. So that's what we got. We've got a wheel up here on a Lego set attached to the end of the motor. That'll just help it when it goes around on the other base that we'll show you in the next set. The radius of this is 22 centimeters, and I've just cut it out of 12mm ply. We bought from Bunnings, link in the description. It'll just scrap for us. Just use some scrap wood for the base bit. Again, just a scrap wood going around. At the moment, what we're actually end up going to do is put some better batteries in here. We're going to run them through completely through here when we put the other part on. But that's it for now. This is a quick look at what we've got up to, and what we're going to do for you is I'll flip it over. There you go, and there's your first look at it. Whoa, look at that. That looks awesome.